there to all of my wonderful subscribers and to those who are not subscribed to me, though I really wish you would. So the subscribe button is right down below. Lindsay here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do basic tricks on aerial hoops / Lyra. Now if you clicked on my video, you probably already know that aerial hoop and Lyra are just two names for the same piece of equipment. There is no difference between an aerial hoop and a Lyra, just some people call it a hoop, some people call it a Lyra. So anyway, I have to do a little disclaimer. Be safe. Make sure that you're listening to your body. If you're doing anything that makes your body tell you to stop, or if anything is too painful, or you just feel unsafe, just stop what you're doing. Only do the things I show in the video if your aerial hoop / Lyra instructor is present and coaching you through whatever you're attempting from this video. So yeah, let's get right into this video and let's get started. Alright guys, so first things first, you need to learn how to sit up and come down on the hoop. So you're going to tuck up and flex your feet through under the bar as I show you, and then hook your knees on the bar. And then you're going to want to grab pretty high with your hands to shoot your legs forward. And that's how you sit up. So to come down, it's basically the same steps as you use to sit up, just in reverse. And you can have your grip forwards or backwards. It doesn't really matter at this point since you're first starting. This next trick is called a half split. So you're just going to hook one knee on the hoop and extend the other one behind you. Sorry, I don't really fit in the frame for this clip. I had the camera too close and my leg was too long to fit in the frame, but I really wanted to include it in the video anyway since it is such an easy, fun trick to do. So just hook both knees back on the bar and you're ready for the next trick I'm going to show you, which is a cradle. So you're going to rest your shins on either side of the hoop and arch through. It's really easy and it looks really pretty. So try it once more to get more fluid and comfortable with it. And then once again, like the last trick, just hook both knees back on the bar to get out. So this is called a fish. Grab one side of the hoop and then turn sideways and rotate so that your knees are resting on the opposite side of the hoop from your hands. You can even do a foot to knee if you want to make it extra pretty. And then just grab the hoop on either side and scooch back to sitting. So this last trick I'm going to show you is called a moon sit. You're going to sit sideways in the hoop and then toe the hoop one foot over the other. Then you can put your head on just one side of the bar so that it's resting more on your neck. And then style with one hand, just like I show you here. And then just grab the top of the hoop and carefully scooch back to sitting. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!